I am a lead QA in need of situational advice. So, I just joined a company a few months back, which was a services based company which had ties up with product based startups from America and Europe. They sourced our skills to the intended client. I joined the company at a lead level, completed my probation successfully over the last month, and suddenly, I noticed the product startup is firing people month by month. See it becoming a trend. I felt initially I initially felt like the right thing was happening. I was getting good feedback about my work until I got fired out of the blue. Wow, that really sucks. When asked for the reason and instances behind the decision, they said they weren't happy with my tech abilities. When asked for pointed instances, they said they had none to show. But it's their decision and they want me to send out my resignation. Why don't you just don't ask me for a resignation? What do you think? I work for the president? No, fire me. This is the first time I am in a situation like this. They need to give me notice period along with a valid reason and a failed PIP, performance improvement plan, which shows I put no effort for my growth at the very minimum, severance if terminating before notice period. And above all, a valid reason. My head my head has been all over the occurrence. Any experience and advice on handling this situation will really help. All right. So okay, that was hard to read. The grammar was not the best on that one. Okay, but still a question. And first of all, I would say sorry for the situation you're going through. It's definitely not ideal. But guess what? We can't cry over spilled milk. There's plenty of people who are looking for jobs and stuff like that, and you're just gonna have to get back on the trend. Like a lot of times we get depressed and discouraged over whatever might have happened at a company, and whether it's true or not. Because they might just be saying it because they can't afford to keep you. It's possible. They might be saying, "Oh, you're not performing," because they might want to get out of like paying you whatever money they're supposed to pay you. But thing is, you have to move on, right? Like if you are able to take some type of legal recourses because you might be in a company where you're able to, because that's what it sounds like, do it. But you're gonna have to move on. You're gonna have to find another job. The competition is fierce. So while you'll be sad and complaining and upset and things like that, someone else is gonna be getting the job that could be yours. So focus, focus and start looking around and start, if, because like I said, if it is true that your technical abilities were lacking, well, improve them. Join me on the Sunday stream. Join me on the Thursday streams. Join me in the mornings where we are writing code every single day. We're exploring. We're doing API testing every single day. So you simply you need to do whatever you need to do to find another thing. And in addition, we need to increase our skills so that we need to be more dynamic. We need to be able to do like other things instead of like, oh, I can only do QA. Oh, I can only write JavaScript. Oh, I can only do Java. Like, no, we need to, expand our horizons, expand our skill sets. I am happy that I am able to build software, build mobile apps and things like that, work on databases, work on Terraform, setting up infrastructure because it makes me more flexible, more able to contribute, more able to add value. I don't want to be like the person like when things need to happen that I'm the first one that they're looking at to say, okay, well, we got to get rid of something. Well, he only knows how to do this one thing and this other person knows how to do that one thing and three other things. So he's going to go and this person's going to stay. And then the things that I learn, I leverage it because, like I said before, what I learn on my own on Terraform and stuff like that, I go back and I'm able to apply it to the things I'm doing at work. A lot of things that I learn at work, I'm able to use that knowledge to be able to do on my own things that I'm building. So it's just like the circle of knowledge. I don't know, the circle of knowledge, maybe. So that's what I want you to think of. I don't want you to cry over spilled and spoiled milk, because now that the milk is spoiled and it's spilled, now it smells bad, right? We can't cry over it. We have to clean it up. Get some bleach, throw it on the floor, get some floor cleaner, whatever the case may be. If it's on carpet, get some carpet cleaner and make it happen. And now start looking for your next position. And when you start to level up your skills, you get better opportunities. Because would you really want to stay at a company that you'll be on thin ice every single day? You never know when that day is going to come, or it's going to be you that's on the chopping block. I wouldn't feel comfortable there. Put yourself in the best position to win always. You always have to put yourself in the best position to win. Simple as that. All right. I mean, it's very sad news. Honestly, I hate to hear that. You know, I want to like, but we can move on. We can do better. All right. So that's all I got for that one. You know, try to work it out with them. See if they can give you your severance and things like that. But if it, you know, if some people, some companies can be shady, but whatever the case may be, you're gonna have to move on. You're gonna have to find something else. You're gonna have to level up your skills. All right. And on that note,
if you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.